To attempt the question above, we will be using two methods. The first one is the formula method, and the second one will be making use of the relationship method. So for the formula method, the formula we'll be applying to solve this question is solubility equals solute divided by solvent multiplied by 100. So the 100 here is serving as the amount of grams of the water. Solubility can be defined as the maximum amounts of solute that can dissolve in 100 grams of the solvent. It is 100 grams here, all except if we are being asked to calculate the solubility in moles per dm cube. But if it is not stated in the question that we should calculate the solubility in moles per dm cube, we'll just be calculating the moles in 100 grams of the solvent. So substituting the values here, solubility will then be equal to the solute, which is 12 grams. That is 12 grams of solid potassium chlorate. So we have 12 grams divided by the solvent, which is 40 grams of water, multiplied by 100. So calculating this, we have 30 as the answer. So the solubility of potassium chlorate at 66 degrees Celsius is 30, and that will be the final answer. So the other method we can consider, if we do not want to make use of the formula method, is the relationship method. And for the relationship method, we'll come back to the question and say 12 grams was added to 40 grams and it was heated to dissolve all the solid. S amount of the chlorate will dissolve in 100 grams of water. Do not forget that solubility is the mass of solute that can dissolve in 100 grams. So if 12 grams were dissolved in 40 grams of water, S grams, that is what mass will be dissolved in 100 grams of water. That will be the formula, will be the relationship we'll be using. Hence we say that 12 grams of KClO3 will dissolve in 40 grams of water. Then X grams of KClO3 will dissolve in 100 grams of water. So X here, making X the subject, X equals 12 multiplied by 100 divided by 40, and that will be equal to 30. So the unit is grams here. So that means 30 grams of KClO3 will dissolve in 100 grams of water. Hence we can say the solubility of KClO3 is 30 grams per 100 grams of water, and this will be serving as the final answer. So either of the method we are making use of, we are still getting 30 as the final answer, and that will be the end to the solution of the question. Don't forget to subscribe for more if you find this video helpful.